Your FlexiTool sewing machine has a built-in mechanism for winding the lower or bobbin thread. You bring that forward until the rubber-edged wheel engages the edge of the crank wheel. I then take the thread and put it through the first thread hole. I take a generous amount of thread and then I start to wind the bobbin. I normally put 5 or 6 turns around the bobbin so that the thread stays on the bobbin without coming unraveled. You then take the bobbin and push it firmly onto the end of the screw which sticks out of the bobbin winding mechanism. It should look something like this. I then take the thread in my left hand so that there is some tension on the bobbin, but not too much, otherwise you can pull the bobbin off the end of the bobbin winding mechanism. As I turn the crank and wind the thread onto the bobbin, I move my left hand very slightly side to side to ensure an even lay of the thread onto the bobbin. If the bobbin falls off while you are winding, simply put it back and keep winding until the bobbin is full. Then cut the bobbin free and return the winding mechanism to its place.